Today I'm taking a look at the Preruner solar-powered auto darkening welding lens. So it does come with two guards, a nice foam packaging, and there it is. We do have our battery compartment here on the top. So it uses two CR1025s. We have a low battery indicator on there. It does say that that is shade 10 and Z87. We do have a mode selection on there, so we got grind, passive, and auto. Right there is grind. Basically, you're always going to be able to see through it. Passive just means it is always going to be on, and auto means it will automatically transition depending on the light. Nice gold color on that guy. We can see we do have two sensors on there, and we have our solar cell.
You're in the picture. Yeah. That's kind of wild.
So yeah, super clean image. Nice having that full color on there rather than just that simple green. Overall, that is a beautiful lens.